Hello, this is Expressions, Equations, and Problem Solving, Order of Operations, Example 1. And order of operations are often called the PEMDAS rules, or Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally rules. The P stands for parentheses, and these are done first. And everything in the parentheses is done according to these rules. So if you had parentheses inside of parentheses, then you would just apply these rules again. E is exponents. MD I wrote on the same line. It does not mean multiplication first and then division. It means that multiplication and division ties, and you have to do them however they come up in order from left to right. Left to right is the same way we read, from left to right. Addition and subtraction, again, these tie. It doesn't mean addition first, subtraction second. It means that you do additions and subtractions in order from left to right as they come up. Example 1 is a very good example of the Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally rules, the PEMDAS rules, because there are two places that I see it would be very easy for a beginning student to make a mistake here. There are no parentheses, so we don't have to worry about that. There is an exponent, however, and then there are division, multiplication, and there is a subtraction. A beginning student might look at this and say, oh, this is 27 divided by 3. Well, that would be a mistake. It would lead you to a wrong answer, because this is not 27 divided by 3. This is 27 divided by 9. 3 squared is 9, and you have to do the exponent first. Another place you may be tempted to make a mistake is here. 2 subtract 1. You can't do that. It has to be done last. The first thing that has to be done is the exponent, then the multiplication divisions in order from left to right, and lastly the additions and subtractions in order from left to right. The way to never goof these up is just to do one piece of arithmetic per line. Algebra is the written language of mathematics, and if you refuse to do the writing, you will make many more mistakes than if you do the writing. And as you can see, I did an exponent, one piece of arithmetic. Now I'm going to start from here and do my multiplications and divisions. I came to a division, I did it. 27 divided by 9 is 3. Now I'm going to do a multiplication, and I get my answer. And hopefully you see that if you do one piece of arithmetic per line, it is very difficult to goof these up. If you try to do a lot of things at once, like if you tried to do this in your head, and then you get this in your head, and then you try to do all this in your head, you're just giving yourself too many opportunities to make a mistake.